So welcome everyone to English with Waterfall, and in this video we are going to learn some different wonderful beautiful ways to wish someone when they have their birthdays. Okay, so we are going to learn how to wish in birthdays in beautiful ways. So our first sentence would be, may your birthday be filled with laughter. May your birthday be filled with laughter. It means you're wishing that birthday person that his or her birthday would be filled with happiness and laughter. Our second sentence would be, wishing you a day that is as special as you are. It means you are wishing that birthday person that birthday person's day would go as special as he or she is. Okay, our third sentence is, hope you have an enjoyable birthday. You deserve it. Hope you have an enjoyable birthday. You deserve it. And thank you so much everyone for learning this lesson with us, English with Waterfall.